Good evening, everyone. I'm Tarun. I've developed a full stack application. It's called Habit, where it connects both customer and merchants. So both of them get benefited. How so? So everyone wants customized works, right? By default, in the market, they are paying high charges, and some merchants who does the customized work, they are paying less charge, right? So they don't know how to approach the customer, and customers don't know how to approach the merchants. So it is a platform where it connects both merchants and customers. So how we're going to do it is the merchant who is need to be showcase their work or a product or anything into the website. So they're gonna fill a form that can redact it and save it in the database, and that details will be shown into the UI. So I used Monstack for this. So this is my project application. This is the front end and this is the back end. So let's dive into the front end. Here we have the source assets. We don't have any. Here we have components. We have customized components like card component, footer, hero, stuff like that. Here we have some landing pages, merchant authentication page, and merchant details page, and the form that merchant needs to be filled. These are the styling part. Okay. Uh, this is the route management from the app component. These are main file. So let's dive into the backend. We segregated models, routes, uploads. Okay. The middleware that we are going to use to authorize, like checking if the merchant is already having an account in the database or not. So this is the stuff that can does the same thing. So this is the thing that the customer or a merchant needs to be uploaded an image format. These are the schemas, merchant schema and customer schema. Okay. And route management, we have authorization routes and merchant routes. Okay. Whatever the merchant that uploaded images, those will be stored in the upload folder, and .env, and these are main server. Here we have Express for Express, and Mongoose for the database connectivity, or for uh, retrieving API calls without disturbing the server. .env is to store the credentials, Multer to store the images, and path the the images that are stored in the uploads, that is done by the path. Okay, we have initialization and app. We are these are the middlewares that are used to maintain the API call safely. This is a multi function that is used to store the images. This is the thing that is connected to the database itself, and these are some routes here. Uh, okay, so I deployed the project. So I'm gonna open it now. Here we go. This is the Git repository, the front end and back end itself. Okay, and this is our project. So here we have our habit as a title, and a hero section. What do they do? Where crafts meet customer. That's a good tagline. These are all the merchants that are presently duplicate data, of course. So the thing is, I don't know how to fetch the images from the database itself. So I just added a small camera icon from the Lucid React. Okay, this is the footer thing, as and I need to wash it up a little bit. As whenever I put a call on that, maybe it will redirect to the dialer itself, and I need to mention some phone number, stuff like that here. So the customer and merchant need to be connect right through this platform. Okay, let's see if we can click this component loading state. The picture needs to be appear here. Some reason I don't know how to fetch that. So I just added a camera icon here, and this is our title and the field of itself, the description. This is the thing. How they charge and what is the specialty itself. Everything is same. Everything follows the same schema. So if you are a merchant, if you are a merchant, how do you create a card component like this and display into the so that here we have our merchant button. It will redirect to a sign up or login page. So already have an account, just log in and update your previous data. Like I will tell. Here we have our Chinu clicks here. He had a mail account that will store it in the database itself. If we again log in into the same account here, the details that he is gonna enter or fill the form that will change it or that will rewritten it. So I'm gonna create a new account. So my name, okay, random name, uh, maybe Prabhu, contact number. I'm just adding some dummy data here and email also dummy data. Sorry, Prabhu, Prabhu at grade maybe outlook.com and the passwords or something. Okay, we're gonna just sign in, sign up. Once we click the sign up, the merchant need to fill the form. Like what do they do? Maybe I'll add a painter or as an artist. Mm, maybe would be catchy, right? Or we can draw. Yes, it's catchy. What is a field? Maybe artist, art artist. A small description. I love telling stories through paintings. This is a form of art. How do they charge? It's well, it depends upon the portrait or just a wall paint, stuff like that, right? Maybe portrait. If it is a portrait, uh, maybe my screen, right? Um, Whatever. Like a 450 for a portrait, or again a big wall paint can charge around 2000 per day, something like that. Specialties. What are the specialties? Maybe uh, drawing, that how use watercolors, watercolors and oil paints. Let's go. That might be my contact number, whatever that you give me there. You need to select the art, right? So I'm just giving it an dummy image. So I'm gonna submit it. Okay. Maybe the internet is slow. Submit. Yeah. The clients can consult with you directly. So the merchant uploaded the form and the image, of course, everything. So we have it acts as a bridge to connect customer and merchant. By doing so, we can charge 10% of their work, uh, like that. We cannot work freely, right? So we can charge 10% and they are displaying and showcasing their craft into our website. So we can do that. So when we hit back to our homepage, here this is the component that we just created. This is a merchant that just log into it. If you click it, we have we can draw the title, the field itself, the description, how do they charge, and specialties. This is the website. This is the overall website. You can try it using this URL. And thank you.